Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to view the IMS ITC summary report in Tally Prime. This report gives you a consolidated view of your IMS related input tax credit ITC in one place based on the IMS action status. Press Alt-G. Type or select IMS ITC summary and press enter. The report opens with ITC neatly grouped into three sections. Available ITC, pending ITC, and rejected ITC. Each section shows a breakup of IGST, CGST, SGST or UTGST, cess, and the total tax amount, giving you a clear picture of your tax credit across tax types. To see the invoices that make up each category, you can drill down from the section. You will be taken to the voucher-wise summary where you can review the details, including GST amounts and upload and recon statuses. Let us drill down from each ITC category. Available ITC, it includes vouchers where the supplier has filed the invoice and you have either accepted it or taken no action yet. You can drill down to see the invoices grouped under invoices filed by supplier with action status as accepted and invoices filed by supplier with action status as action required. Pending ITC, it shows ITC from vouchers that are marked as pending. These are not considered in the current GSTR2B, but you can claim them in a future return. You can drill down to see the invoices grouped under invoices filed by supplier with action status as pending, invoices yet to be filed by supplier with action status as accepted, invoices yet to be filed by supplier with action status as pending, and invoices yet to be filed by supplier with action status as action required. Rejected ITC. It lists all vouchers marked as rejected. Whether filed by the supplier or not, these invoices are excluded from ITC claims now as well as in the future. You can drill down to see the invoices grouped under invoices filed by supplier with action status as rejected and invoices yet to be filed by supplier with action status as rejected. The IMS ITC summary report makes it easy to track how much ITC is available, how much is pending based on the IMS action status, and what has been excluded from ITC. In this way, you can manage your filings with complete clarity.